Um, so the last one is LocalGov. And this is very much for the UK market then. So it's local governments websites. Well, you have a template for them already, as far as I know. So, it's for setting up the local government websites. We have just added AI on top of it based on a presentation that Jamie was holding at like local gov days in London or something like that. And all the things you can try right now is here, but we're gonna start adding more stuff. So the idea there is that you will be able to test different stuff that is in the AI module. So I can just showcase some of it. So is this recording for something you want to show to like end users, or is it for yourself only?
You tell me, can we share this with the end users
Yes, I can share it. I just wanted to ask basically if I was so I don't say, you have seen this, but the
yeah,
audience.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's
That's
do
it.
it for the end users so we can
Oh, okay,
share
okay.
this. But if there's anything confidential,
No, no, no,
then let
no.
me know. Let me know up front so I can clip that out.
There's nothing confidential. So I will just upload an image because that's what I was going to say. You have seen the image alt text, but anyone who hasn't seen it, we have this generate with AI button when you upload an image, and it's just gonna generate it for you. We have field validation on this as well. It's based on Gordon Ramsay. No, it's based on basically a local government doesn't want angry people, right? So here's a image of angry Gordon Ramsay. I try to upload it, and it actually fails validation and tells me you may not upload images of angry people. So this
That's
is
funny.
using AI for validation. Uh, there are good use cases for a local government for this, not this one, but it's just to prove a point that you can actually
Right.
you can use them on text, but you can even use them multimodal audio, images, and so on. So in this case, I can just show if I try to save it, it's not gonna be possible to save it. It's just gonna complain until I go ahead and change this image then. Uh, so yeah, so that's not possible. If we go to the start page, there is a chatbot similar to the module finder. It's just a simple RAG test RAG database based on the data that is in this demo content then. So for instance, there is one content about blue badges, which in UK is like parking for disabled people. So I can write, I have accessibility issues when parking. Can I find more information about can get uh, uh, better parking access, maybe? Um, and this is just going to go through all the data that exists. And the idea is it is set up on saving directly. So you can see it finds the information about the blue badges, how to apply and so on. It is set to create automatically. So if you, store anything here, an event, a news, anything, it's going to show up here right away. So you can start asking about the stuff that you're adding. Let's see, what more did we add? Oh
And
yeah.
that actually works in the demo itself.
Yeah, that works in the demo itself.
Okay.
Uh, I mean, we can try it. Let
Well,
me,
I was going to ask you like offline after the recording how you guys have set that up, but
it's very easy. I can show that here. So I'm
okay.
gonna verify that I actually set it up correctly. Otherwise, Andrew will have to go ahead and change that. So under indexing option, you can say, yeah, it is there. Index items immediately. And as long as
Yeah.
you do that, it's gonna be added. Let me see. So it's really is everything. It is content of, okay, no, it's not everything. So it's event, guide overview, guide pages, new articles, news articles, service pages.
Okay, but you could change that from here.
Yes, you could change it. I think some of the other entities are actually sub entities. That's why we're not indexing them.
Okay.
Uh,
And I know you guys were trying to get the Postgres with the vector database, trying to get that set up. Is that working now, or how is
it
this
is
set up?
yeah, it's working when you start it. It's the restart that still doesn't work then.
Okay,
That
so
is the issue.
this is set up using that.
Yeah. So
Okay,
this is gonna work when they start it. It's unfortunately not gonna work if they restart it.
okay. And then
Uh,
does Andrew know what the issue is, or does Jamie know what the issue is, so that we can work with them to fix that?
yeah, I mean, it's not really on our side. The thing is, we need to know. Oh, did it die? That's interesting. Do you know what could do that?
It could have died. It could have just crashed because it didn't have enough resources.
Ah, right. I don't have access to adding resources on the templates. So maybe
Okay,
someone do that.
all right.
It's because the ones I added today have the smallest one. That's probably why
Yeah.
then.
Okay. So when you get back, we gotta make sure that we give you access to that so you can resize the
Yeah.
template.
Uh, so anyway, it should work then to add something and uh, ask about it afterwards. That should
Okay.
really
Did you
be.
want to show another one? Do you want to spin up another? Want to delete this one and spin up another
Oh
one?
yeah, I can do that. That's maybe makes sense. So um, there's two more things I wanted to show there that are minor. I think you have this in your Drupal AI playground already, but I can still show it. So that is when you go to the content. Wait, let's try this first. Let's try to create a news again, just to see if we can get this working. Oh, I can actually show the other things while I'm creating the news, I think, as well. Yes, I can. So we could add the story first, like this is uh, LocalGov on DrupalForge, and it's so it makes you can spin up environments very easily. Something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, take that to the summary. So we can now suggest the title based on what we have then. Yeah. So it suggests a title. We can fill in that title. So that is one thing. We can also evaluate the readability. So how well can it's a Fleischmann score. It's like how well can a 13-year-old read it. So it says some small grammatical errors, but in general, it's such a short text, so of course they can read it. Let's try to add the media. Let's see if it works this time without running out of memory, because it is required. So no, that is killing it. Okay.
What was killing it?
Is when I'm adding the media to the article. It happened the same time the last time. I guess it needs more than the memory
Mm.
for whatever reason. But I will anyway. So we can't add unused then. I mean, I could make it not required if you really want to see it. Uh,
It's okay. We'll skip that.
yeah. So I will just show the last thing of this. But this is something, of course, then Andrew could show or Jamie could show when we have more memory on it. That it is possible. And this works, by the way, with the module chatbot as well. So if you manually add a module for whatever reason, you can actually start asking about it as well. But now we're gonna go to some, let's see here, news article. Take a news article, town hall to host wedding services. Oh, no, I know how I can showcase, by the way, that this is working. So we're gonna do this now then. First of all, I'm gonna showcase this. We can mark this. It has to generate with AI and summarize. That's very basic, but it also has tone where it can rewrite everything in simple English. And this is, of course, actually important for local government, where the people of the that's paying the taxes should be able to understand what is in the actual article. So this actually rewrites everything, but in simpler English, and it keeps the HTML, as you can see. So this, whatever this is kept there. So what we can do now here, oh yeah, I have to check what that is. It's adding like a company that will help with marriages is DrupalForge. This we should be able to save now, because now I don't have to add an image. There should be an image connected there. And then I should be able to ask now then, see if this works. Which company can help with there? Yes. Yeah, so the
That's
company can help
crazy.
with DrupalForge.
That's
So,
crazy.
so it can start answering that as well. So
Wow.
yeah, I mean, this is great actually for the actual local governments, of course, because they can start adding their content and see how well can RAG understand it.
Yeah.
So that is a thing you can do here. Yeah, but that is the local gov. We're gonna add more features to it, but that is the current features that exist there.
What other features are you planning on adding?
The most important one is the thing you saw with the tone rewrite in English, actually writing an agent for this that has better understanding on how to rewrite this in a useful manner. Because what we're having there, it's very much a typical, it looks cool, but when you actually start reading it, it's not that useful. And that's not how, if you were to pay someone to rewrite that in 1 hour, that would have such a better result than whatever this is creating. So we need to create something that is actually useful there.
Okay.
But then there's small stuff I think they're thinking about adding as well. So the good thing is it's literally in this repo, it's just one recipe that is always implementing. So in this case, it's just adding stuff to that recipe if you want stuff here.